Hi guys, it's me, Cindy. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm really excited for today's video because it's the 2019 new year and a new haul. Morphe haul to be exact. I actually found a Morphe store that was really close to where I live. Not too close, but like 45 minutes away, which unlike the last Morphe video that I did, it was in LA, which is about 5 to 8 hours away depending on how you drive. So yeah, I'm really excited for this video. I got a whole lot of goodies. I got some products that I wanted to get, some products that I just walked in and I'm like, ooh, this could be interesting. Well, actually I just can't wait to show you guys. So first things first, I'm gonna do everything in the order of application. So the first thing I got was actually sponges. These sponges retail for $7 each. I got both the flawless sponge and the highlighting contour sponge. Open one up. I was like comparing earlier and I'm like, yeah, it's so different with water. This is mine. I use it with water. This is a brand new one. You can totally see the sizes, how, first of all, the color. I'm talking about the size. Just like add water and it really, it really grows. Okay, the one thing that I wasn't even considering buying at first was this Jar Arch Obsession. It's basically a 5-piece brow set from brow gel, highlighting stick, brow gel, the stick, the spoolie, the cream, and the pencil. Okay, so 5 products for $18. So here's basically everything that comes in the box. We have the gel, which is actually this one right here. We have, well, not the gel, yeah, the cream. Sorry, the cream, the brow cream. That's basically right there. This is the gel. I always get confused because sometimes this reminds me of like hair gel, like how it comes in. So anyways, cream, gel, pencil and spoolie, concealer stick, which is the one in the middle, if you guys can see that, and the pencil itself, which to me, I like the finer tip, and it also has a spoolie, so the pencil is like on the go for me, which is great, and which is that one. So this is actually my favorite part. I love lashes. Lashes. I love wearing lashes, even if there are days where I'm going for a more natural look, like not this natural, but you know, nice beat that you could have opened up like that. Lashes, I wear them almost every day now. I just love them. I got 6 pairs of lashes. Okay, so the one thing I was excited for and I just wanted to buy was the 35M palette, which is the Boss Mood palette. I've seen this one for a while, and of course everyone's going crazy over the the James Charles, and that one is sold out. That one is completely and entirely sold out. So I didn't even, yeah, there was no chance that I was gonna get it. But these are super beautiful. I've had my eye on these for a while. I had to swatch. I'm a huge swatcher and it's just beautiful. It does come with this little protector on it. So let me swatch. I'm gonna swatch this row, these top 3 right here for you guys, and then I'm gonna swatch, let's do the math, these 3. So let's do these 2 rows and swatch them for you guys. That is beautiful with a different finger. Ooh, yeah. This orange, yes. And those were Popstar, Bold Moves, and Bright Eye. These 3. So Popstar, Bold Mood, and Bright Eye. Bright Eye is the orange one. I'm gonna clean my fingers and then I'm gonna swatch Express Yourself, Hello Sunshine, and FOTD, which is these 3 right here. So again, this is Express Yourself right here, this is Hello Sunshine, and this is FOTD, which is that plum right there. And personally, to me, this is more like a folly palette. Doesn't scream summer. You could do summer, but it's more like a folly palette to me. And this is the palette, again, I've eyed this for a while. I just finally wanted to swatch it in person, so that's why I got it. And it's my brand new baby. But I finally got the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost, and that's why I said Jeffree Star earlier, because I blink. And this is the highlighter, especially for highlighters. I don't know, sometimes I feel like they're not necessarily my color and I have to swatch them, because I have bought certain highlighters where I'm like, ooh, this is so pretty, and it looks super dusty on me. But let's not. Let's swatch it right next to Blinding. This is a Blinding. It's so beautiful. This is a hefty palette for me. The Supreme Frost, like, is beautiful, and I am excited to use it. And if you guys want me to try on all these products, just keep on watching, because that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna put on my face. Okay, so first things first, I prime my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Y17 that is completely stained green from a couple of Christmas looks. And I'm gonna take this one that's called Life of the Party, and I'm gonna just dust it right on just the top of my lid. Now that I have like a little bit more shimmery color, I'm actually going to go in with this color right here, which is like a reddish color. Take my brush also super lightly, tap off any excess, and just kind of go inside the crease with that to start really defining my crease. So the next color I'm going to take is Peachy Keen, this color right here, and I'm just going to take it on the tip of my brush, lightly tap the excess off, and start getting it with the red that we put down earlier and blending it upward. And then with my finger, I'm going to take this color right here called Confidence. Gonna get some of that color, get my handy dandy mirror, and just swipe that color in. Then lastly, for the eye, we're going to take the color from earlier, FOTD, that color right there, with the same Y17 brush which we've used for this whole look. I'm going to tilt it to the side, get some on the brush, and this is the color that's actually going to help us define our outer corner to really get the like smoky blown out effect. Okay, so I put on some liner. The lashes are Santa Monica. I feel like the look is more complete. Now I'm taking the sponge. I took some of my Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I'm in the color 220, and now I'm just gonna pat it all in my face. Then I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color 57. I'm just going to flop a little bit, just right under my eye. Then I take my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder, tap some into the lid, trying not to make a mess, which is honestly sometimes really hard with powder. Then I take the flat side and you bake. So for my brows, I'm actually going to take a little bit of the brow cream, the brush, and I want to see if I can do it myself because brows are really hard for me to do, like the Instagram brow. So lastly, I added some Hoola bronzer. I lined my lips with the Jeffree Star liner in Scorpio and the Human Nature liquid lipstick, or Lord liquid lipstick, right? And for my under eye, I did the Morphe High Maintenance, which is a lovely orange. I love this bright orange color, just to really have the bottom of my eyes just pop. And now, lastly, my favorite part is the highlighter. So I'm gonna take my Morphe Y14 brush. I'm gonna get the highlighter. And gonna lightly I know you guys see the glow. You guys see the glow. We all see the glow. You see the glow. You see the glow. You all see the glow. This is actually one of my like new favorite highlighters apparently at this point, because I like how it's a glow. I like how it's like not a crazy color. For everyday wear, definitely I'm not gonna put on a purple highlighter. Just not for me. Not for work. Not for work. Not where I work. But I do really like this one. I think the formula is great. It's so shiny. I'm gonna like put it everywhere. Like, y'all see that? This is like a dry brush. Dry fingers. This is beautiful. This is, ooh, highlight. Yes! I want this highlight to highlight my life. Yes, it's so pretty. Ooh, I'm subtle with my highlight. You can tell. I honestly really like this highlight, and all the products here, with eyebrows is my only thing that I'm just still learning them a lot. But the eyebrows is the one thing that I'm still learning about, that I still want to perfect. But I want to find a good middle ground between dramatic, the Instagram brow, having nothing on, and me, like the kind of brown that I like. And so far, all the products here today, I love them. Morphe, I've had used them before. This is just a fun haul, the fun new haul of 2019 Morphe stuff. And when I get my hands on the James Charles palette, I can't wait to show you guys the look we're gonna create. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna set my face and probably go out somewhere, nowhere, stay home, who knows. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. Click the notification bell, which is like somewhere here, somewhere down there, so you get notified when I post a video. And I'm really excited for 2019. I'm motivated. I have new makeup. It's refreshing. Like, let's do this 2019 together. But again, for the third time I know, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again. Bye.